The Nyotrab Integrated Territorial Organization Hito Shillong City intensified its ongoing verification drive against undocumented entrants, leading to the interception of 5 non-local individuals at the ISBT in Maoyong, Shillong on the morning of 26 November 2025. According to the organization, the individuals were attempting to enter Meghalaya without the mandatory identification and labor-related documents. Hito members informed that during questioning it was revealed that the 5 had arrived with the intention of seeking work as laborers. However, none of them possessed the required documents to legally enter or work in the state. Following the discovery, the organization sent the individuals back to their respective states. Briefing reporters, Hito Organizing Secretary Pinchngai Nongrum stressed that the organization has no objection to the entry of non-local laborers as long as contractors adhere to due procedures. He maintained that contractors are responsible for ensuring that all workers under their engagement carry proper documents. In the absence of such compliance, Hito, he said, would take necessary steps to turn away undocumented entrants. Pinchngai Nongrum reiterated that Hito is not opposed to the hiring of non-local workers but asserted that the organization would continue to act against those entering the state without valid papers.
पुलिस वेरिफिकेशन है आप लोग का पास ये नहीं पुलिस वेरिफिकेशन वो वाला नहीं है ये तो आधार कार्ड नहीं मैं आधार कार्ड नहीं पुलिस वेरिफिकेशन नहीं नहीं ना पुलिस बोलना वेरिफिकेशन नहीं आप लोग का पास बोला हम मिस्त्री मानो बोल हम मिस्त्री ये कुछ नहीं रे भाई ये कुछ नहीं ये फायदा नहीं ni nak kalian keseng yo bat dikini kidakhar ba yo komplain lagi baik ni semua kia kemensiam nomor ba man keluar sera keluar kajabi kumne kikat isla kim judan kini ki marjela ki bawan tresne tengi nak kalian ngikerpat dikini kontraktor semua haba pinang wan yalam trei ki semua penbiang kan kekot kesla imisni eta kajing wan yalam trei jeng pi ki banabar Imtut ya kata Andrei penbiang kila balasan penbiang ki polis verification tang katahi ada hinang mon yalam nangru ban penang ban nangru ban penshna kita ki kot kislai ki lada pinang mon yalam ngiru nginang ban be ina kasyang ngina keneng kasang ni songkya sisa tebat kawairu kini ki auto tung kini ki supari kantam iwan yalam iwan kit tiar ki kit senan ki pesendar Iwan kit kumne ke kalong kakta kini kinang pala kini banyak turis ki banyak kini komersial kita kiru nomor ba ka passenger ka badai hok bakini ok maki kila kit no kini hakador sispa arspa kata ro kakta pi te na kalyang ni kaseng tenginam island